Aju we come die about Manipuli Center na sponsor Sakmi scheme we fund crore machine la lay. Ukraine the Autonomous District Council through recruitment exam ngson haira. Lake Yang Thor Ajit the Tangkhul Express with Pau Thangmeiring Chodang in a Bamidale, Bowing Misaina Nganang Rumsa. Manipuli Center na sponsor Sakmi scheme with Wang Mik High Fund Lubakro Shajishat Langda Mashijin La Ladele. Achak Jang Tarik Akaina Tangda single nodal agency account centrally sponsored scheme with Wang Lubakro Shajishat Hangchuko Shika Mashijin La Lesayada Pau Sampanga. SNA will utilize Maksa bank balance Turaka Taida Klechi, Health, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Minority Affairs, Public Health, Engineering Department, Kala Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, Hiping Wizanga. Health sector li lupa 177 crore, Health and Medical Education Wivang, Shijin Ran, Mashijin La Ladele. Chi Makaning Reproductive Child Health and Health System Strengthening National Health Program Kala National Urban Health Mission with Lupa 13.23 crore la Mashijin La National Ayush Mission with 15.83 crore la Mashijin La Lechia. Rural Development Sector with 153.65 crore Mashijin La Chile MNREGA with 67.30 crore, National Rural Livelihood Mission with 47.12 crore, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana with 50 lakhs, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission with 9.39 crore, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural with 26.40 crore, Kala Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan with 2.94 crore Zangdale. Minority Affairs Department will lupa 147.77 crore, Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Garyagaram we Mashigajin li Zangdale. BHET will 98.44 crore, Jina Jal Jivan Mission aina National Rural Drinking Water Mission we utilize Masarangajina. Social Welfare Department will 18.45 crore scheme Natede the will laydele. State Finance Department hanga kaji atishuda fund utilize atam jada magsaji CSS operating procedure ngajay gahai jina kambataya maram akang saya. Ru kathar atishuda Union Government allocation grant we procedure ngzibaying sakhaw la fund migashok jila jakshin may yang sanggahai na da hanga. SNA account release sagahai fund ji shijin kwai State Finance Department with administrative head pingli chizami haira da hanga. Pau hi Indian Express we ena samkapangna. Autonomous District Council recruitment wivang achagajang porika sarada legasaje atam makagla ngson haira. ADC post shashni ang panga wivang written examination ajuwi tarik thrada gathum thang sarada langchin sairag sana kaji atam makagla bospun sahaira. Pau hi ADC tharuk Yukru Chandya Charichanpu Kangpokpi Tamenglong Kala Senapati wi Chief Executive Officers pingni Tribal Affairs and Hill Deputy Secretary wishong aina jishat kami atishura kahangna. ADC recruitment exam postpone sak haji competent authority we kamiya changdak sana da chithi chili hangsanga. Itum na thai ADC election la masala khalai kala ADC matili yangkai gahai wila changda political issue khalai atami tharan state chorgarna Autonomous District Council tharukwi otpam hangda khalai wiwang recruitment khang hotwi makhangi khangi tarakhana khanghan laherisai. Autonomous District Council election masala rahaira kala Manipur High Court na jizu khami atishuda ADCs kathar mati kamchong bherzawa none kala Dengnova District wila changran gijina. State Tribal Affairs and Hill Department na tahaira kasa atishuda Group C and T post shashni angpanga kaja Chandel Charachanpu Kangpokpi Tamenglong Senapati Kala Yukruda District Tharukwi Post Shaka Hampanga Ripwi written exam Ajuwi Tarik Tharada Kutumthang Kakhairag Sana. High Court Judgment Kala Manipur Hill Areas District Council 6th Amendment Act 2022 Yankhailaga Recruitment J Ajukum Mayok Jang Sarada Shokhaira Sai Ka COVID-19 restriction we aina ngasonra laga ajag jang tarik chishathang fresh recruitment notice ATCs being we aina chokliya college state TA and Hills department we jizakmi ati shuda kshokna recruitment process modalities lila kangahan leherisai ka aya we chishat kami ati shuda recruitment ji masafum rally lakwak primary teachers recruitment wibang TET pass maning aka diploma aina degree in elementary education hi eligibility criteria ang sada stately makamshung fake certificate aina degree sem kui khang rock wi paula sampanga info free press wi paw ati shuda makamshung teacher eligibility test sem kui saklala black market li died district institute of education and training aina BET with diplomas aina degree semikwai demand murdale da hanga recruitment modalities mungta la khalei la documents commission makamshung check sa mathada malerang laka written test ji masala leisa khwai la kabole heresaya Halang Baptist Church we organize centenary communion aja abokhaira call to bear fruits kachi tu kui azingni gazip chi rak ratari chiko aina tangda muyon wara gazip chile matumi sami gi kachi former general secretary CBC NEI Tipu Baptist Church senior pastor Reverend Dr. Solomon Rongpi Tangkhul Baptist Church Imphal pastor Reverend Khayaibam Khamrang Bibles International India Society Bailabul with director Dr. Fame Singh Halang Baptist Church with pastor Reverend Ibrahim Shaiza Atum Zangdale Centenary Gazip Chui Culture Program li Outer Manipur MP Dr. Lorho S. Foze Namasowo Pungyer MLA Leshio Keshina Kayawo Sadava Zangra Musical talent display Ranye Lila Minister Kuchimbashum Namasowo La MLA Wangjing MLA MTS Chairman Paunam Brojan Singh na Kayawo Sadava Zangra Aja Halong Baptist Church Centenary Pilan Queer Judah Chamroy na Kangamira Judah Chamroy he Halang Baptist Church with Pastor Kare Ngareopung Chamroy with Arena Department of MI Crew retired SO Ningmi Chamroy Ngachami Committee ex Headman Unnaungai Huileng Department of Education Ukru AI Leshipam Chamroy Kala Baipung STO Christian Home Huileng Atumla Wazangrada Ngaran Nge Pau Sampanga Halang Baptist Church we organize centenary communion chili ngot kahai invite spingni phungkhui kwai achukari la ngran mira da hangdale ungnaulong office le pick up sara aramang shun pung akaina hapokta mati aina tangda apam chili ra phungkhui da makhok mi na hanga pick up che invite sping wi wang mang ran khami mana Union Baptist Church Pungyer we Zingum Magada Trukak Shung Silver Jubilee Gazip Achu Gazang Muyono Kida Ngran Haira UBC Pungyer we Silver Jubilee Gazip Che Achu we Tarik Tarada Gatum Aina Hapokta Tarada Truk Aina Tangda Rungwara Chile UBC Pungyer we Pastor Reverend Dr. Jajo Somi DBCA Executive Secretary Reverend Dr. Matotmi Vasha ETNPA Executive Secretary Reverend Soringam Ningshen MBC former General Secretary Reverend Dr. Unauting Gonghar, DTA Director Emeritus Reverend Dr. YL Mingting Atumna Matumi Samigida Leidale. Gazipchili, Ngator Ngashun Ngazin Service Room Migida Leidale. Union Baptist Church Pungyer hi 1996 kum Haugapokna Kala, Korum Shim, Silver Jubilee Pilan Church, Banners Pumjing Ningshenda Kangamira. Union Baptist Church Pungyer wi Silver Jubilee Gazipchili, Tangkhul Church Katonga Razang Miluda Makhokmina Saklak Aina Hangchipuna. Police Department Achishatmi Hairagasa Telecom Head Constable Post with Physical Efficiency Test Atam Ngchehera Test District Saikura Wivang First Battalion Manipur Rifle Imphali Rungmira Ukru District Winner Ajawi Tarik Magada Truk Aina Magada Shinitang Ngator Pung Chishatli Hapokra Kamjong District Wivang Ajawi Tarik Magada Chishat Aina Magada Chiko Thang Ngator Pung Chishatli Rungmira Langchin Sami Gahai Atam Chiwe Atishuda Applicate being the First Battalion Manipur Rifle Imphali TPC Chairmanly Report Basagi China. All India Football Federation 2027 AFC Asian Cup Mokok Mikwai Pogasa Kalanhaira Ngahanji Rung Mikwai Rida Pogasa Iran Kala Uzbekistan La Witrosak Haitili Bit Kasa India and Saudi Arabia Mang Taikasana Bit Kasaji 2020 Kum Braful Patel na AIFF Thandalay Laka Atamni Kasana Ka Hortang AIFF na Pitchi Witro Saga Hai Atishuda Chikata Gahagang Han Ranye Runkamihi Arirui AIFF Wivang Kambataya Mangasatura AFC Asian Cup Katha gozoga ranye masing ranglaka ariwa ngalay hili kanjutewi haugapok ang yung matada semri furada AIFF na hanga. 2027 AFC Asian Cup rumikwa AFC na Saudi Arabia wi pitchi rakra marun gachang ashiwi gazibli misang haura chia. India and Germany na Mobility Partnership Pact shoi sang rokhaira. Ngalay khani china kharjan kasa sambangda Ukraine, Russia wi road kamarat la Afghanistan ang red kala Pakistan cross border terrorism maram zangda haure harang ni kasak kahap shokta khalai maram ngsan haira. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar na German counterpart Annalena Baerbock li sambanga hai thili paumi gazibli kahang India na Russia wi ena crude oil lokuida khalaichi leingonong na kankhana thishura kasana jili khayon malaymana da nganing ti thaira Jaishankar na kahang Ukraine maramli India winning ngaririk chithai haira gacha thothi raiwe atam maning mana magcha khalai chan ngajek aina chamna khuigi gachina da hanga India and Germany na shoisa kahai Mobility Pact chui manga aina ngalay khaniwi richum naping akaina akashiwi ngaleli katam gshu ot kasahi kata sapai mekhar haugi china Baerbock na India le aya ungda khani thangwiwang ungajang sana International country the Khangarewo Dangmei Craze Manipuli Hanungda Chief Minister N. Biren Singh na Sampanghaira. Country the Ngareo Thela Kahaiba Dangmei Craze na Uzbekistan wi BFC 7 Karsi wi wang Ngareo Zat Kasana. Craze Sangda Club China Achakajang Uzbekistan Women Super League Li Khayui Maikhya Sampanga. Craze na Gogulum Kerala FC Lila Zangsada Ajukum Hero Indian Women League Khayui Sampanga. Indian Constitution of Team Leads High Grace Tang May Wivang CM Secretariat Imphali Reception Room Mida Chief Minister Biren Sampangkuya. CM na Grace Lim Sot Mida Awi Footballing Career Li Park May Sampang Furano da Hanga. Grace Tang May na Uzbekistan Contract Kupsangda Ajawan Kuptang Manipuli Hanunga. Grace Han Kung Chili Awi Shimkrung Sonaukala Kagatom now Tarakana Imphal Airport Li Mohon Mapau Salaga Lumlaulak Ainavang Rokuya. Lui Kwan Oping, Haite Matamai Kwai, Rushongru Matada Samsung Miluda, Shorkali, Manipur People's Democratic Front Pohaira. MPTF Secretary Sapam Samakona Kahang State Hina Kashakazawiwang, Ngalay Jihanda Kle Atam Mitran, Tuichao Kamatui Ningai Kamang Saya. State Kalata Kangarina Ngalay Sakwai Water Resource, Minor Irrigation, Common Area Development Authority, Kala Agriculture Department, Ningachang Aina Ot Sami Plungrada, MPTF Secretary China Hangsanga. Seminar La Workshop na Kasak Laida Clay Kangtui Miki Gaji Maningmana, Otsak Aina Gasatar Karsaya Gaji Hangda, Shom Shirin, Haite Matamai Kwai Farmers Pingni Shorkana, Katomirana Gaji Hanga. Ajukumla Turgatang Wivang Aina Miwi Lui Vak Sang Nauping, Kachot Sambanga, Mahadla Mamatatu Kaji Leia Kala, Chi Shorkana, Atam Jada, Mik Sang Misani Kaja Kachochi, Marashok Marada, Samukona, Maringapa Pongshoka. La Luda Ajui Kamataya Pauping. Manipuli Center na sponsor Sakmi scheme we fund crore Mashichin la Laidale. Yukurzangda Autonomous District Council Turukwi Recruitment Exam Ngson Haira. Achu we bow heling Jang Haira, Bow and Adak Lena Tum Sai Correlate Ring Pakala Kamahaya Zimi Show Saserano.